Hi guys, I've got my two guests here from the London Meet Up, and I'm looking to introduce you guys to them. So I literally just met them for the first time today. So let me show you around first of all. Do we introduce ourselves? This is not formal, so don't worry how it comes out, right? So let's introduce ourselves. My name is Pascal, like you already know, and
my name is Ella.
My name is Eddie. Hi.
Yes. And this is your first London meetup, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
What are you taking away from today?
Right. Today it was my first day, my first contact to know if the team that I've joined in is real, if it exists real. So today I met all my colleagues face to face. I've spoken to them. I've got to know what they go through, how they started and where they're going. So that was a great experience for me. I'm really grateful to meet them, and I'm thinking that knowing them now, it has helped me to know how to start and where to go. So I'm grateful. Thank you.
How about you?
I'm so happy to meet people which they started and they are on the journey like me, to ask them about their experience, about what they did, and ask for help, and break through my things which I don't really want. I really don't know how to do it. So everything is new for me, and I want to learn, I want to have connection with people, and I'm so happy to meet Pascal and everyone here, and so it's amazing people.
So first of all, how long have you been with SFM? Because people might think how long have you been with SFM?
About 3 weeks.
3 weeks here?
From May.
May. So last month as well?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
So this is June 30th in case you're watching. So you've been through the modules. And what module are you in now?
Beginning module 4.
So how are you finding it?
From module 1 till 3 it was learning, and now it's time to do action, and I see a little bit struggle at the moment, because I am not skilled with computer, with marketing. Everything is new for me. So now is taking action. So I need to be more encouraged from someone to kick me, actually to kick me out to do the job what I supposed to do it. And this is like I am so happy to be here, and I am ready to do my job.
So what you're saying is you don't have any technical skills, because that's what a lot of people are scared of when they start.
Nothing.
But you just know there's a reason you must do this.
Yes.
And
yes.
What is that reason for you?
The reason is to be free from work 9 to 5. This is the most important things. And another thing is to see my husband free from work as well. Spend time together, and where we are, any countries, like maybe we will back to Poland, maybe we will stay here, we don't know yet, but I want to see my family free from worrying about financial, about work, and I want to be completely free and see my husband happy, stay at home, don't see him upset, I must go to work, and don't see each other for a long time.
Ashley, and you?
Right. Me, to be honest, this journey is a journey that I've been back into, because I really want to change myself, I really want to change my life, and I want to change people, friends and family around me, because when you discover something that is good, you want to share it with the people you love. So this journey is something I've been back into to change my environment, to change my life, and to change the people around me lives. So I like it. For the moment, I am at level module 1, which is a warm-up module. I've just finished it. It's just a warm-up. It's a side thing. It's just something to get you to go where you're going to. It's nice. It's bubbling. Is really, I don't know how to say that. Excitement is a little way to qualify what it is, but it's preparing me to go where I want to go. So that's why we're here today. Pascal, we thank you for...
You don't need to thank me. You thank yourself for showing up, because a lot of people could have shown up. Maybe if you're wondering how many we are here, there's a few guys sitting down here. The place is full, so we just came out to have a little bit of a chat. So I know from my experience that many people think of, when they're thinking of starting a business online, the first thing one of the problems they have is they are thinking of the products they will sell. They are thinking of how much it will cost them. They are thinking about how long it will take before they make money. What do you have to say to that person? You that is here now, you just literally started. Did you have any of these worries when you started?
On the beginning, yes, but after I realized people said, do it, follow, be yourself, and then do the job every single day, a little bit, and you will see the result later. This was my point, so I don't want to be distract myself, and just I follow. That's it.
Has been open-minded. And
I had these 3 questions to ask. I worry about them, because I even called you to ask you all these 3 questions that you asked, because in other things that we've been through, these 3 questions, they always come in. So I was asking just to know if that is the next step for me to go. But luckily, when I came here today and when I met you, you've explained to us where we're going and how we're going to go about it. So the lesson I've learned today is just to learn from the best, follow what they have done, and get where I'm going.
So to tie down what you're saying is about, if you have any questions around how much does it cost, how long is it going to take you, whatever the question is about modeling. And modeling simply means, I have my mentor here, modeling simply means find somebody who has done what you want to do. By saying that, what I mean is not selling the same thing that they are selling, but find someone who has achieved some sort of financial goal that you're looking to achieve. Maybe you're looking to make your first $10,000 online. Who has done it around you? Find somebody, then do exactly what they teach you to do. And in that process of learning, going through the training, you find the product that you want. You will know how much it will cost you. So you're not going in blindly, because you're working with the data of that person. So they can't share, these data are not shared on public. These are kind of private data, because it's kind of something they hold to their heart, because it's business. So you don't just give out everything because you want to help somebody. You just post everything on YouTube. Nobody will share that sort of data. So that's what they share on the inside, and you can only get this sort of data when you're in the training. So one final thought. What are you taking away from today's event? What are you taking away? What is your biggest takeaway? What are you going to do from here on?
Listening to everybody today, I'm going to take away 2 or 3 things, couple of things I might say. I have to give time. That means I have to be committed in this journey, give my all the best to be able to achieve the goals that I have set up on a daily basis. That's the first thing. The second one is I have to learn to follow exactly what I've been told to do. Not to bring my own knowledge, but to learn from the best, what he has done, how he has gone about it, and got the result he has gotten. So that's the second thing. And then the third thing I've learned today is networking with the people that knows how to go about it. So I will be, every time I have a problem or an issue, I have to call them for help.
You got support system around.
Yes, support system.
You know
around.
The people to contact.
And, yes.
And they've seen you.
And
so it's not like if you join them on the webinar and they call you out now. They know you personally. So it's much more than just building a business. It's more like a personal relationship with them.
Yes, that's what I've learned today.
All right.
Thank you.
How about you?
Yes,
What are you taking away today?
Don't stuck, don't waste time, and do it. What I'm supposed to do. Action, definitely action. Don't be worried about anything. Just do step by step what I'm supposed to do, and be yourself and follow the best people who achieve the result and goal. For me.
Awesome. So what I've taken away from today myself, because I'm still learning. Most people look at me, I'm still learning in this whole thing. Like I share with you guys, is very simple. Be yourself. Be authentic. You can't, if you fake it, these people that fake things that try to make it look like real or look different, you can show you all these big things online and they think it's kind of rocket science. In reality, there's nothing like working with somebody that is in the trenches yourself. And you're seeing it every day. Like we were on the webinar last night, is it?
Yes.
So she was on the webinar last night, and I haven't met you prior to now. So basically, if you're looking to start or you're thinking about this or you're on the fence, we are not strangers. We are real people, is it?
Yes. I can confirm it now. They're real.
They're real.
I've touched them. Yeah, and I've touched the other one, so it's real.
It's real, right?
Yeah, it's real. It's
So-
not some kind of virtual story you hear or you've seen online. It's actually real.
Awesome. I guess Eddie said he'll wrap it up from there. All right, take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.